Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today we got a real short video. I've got this Troy-Bilt mower here, and it had a couple of things wrong with it. The cable was bad. When he pulled the bail handle, the cable was stretched, so that needs to be replaced. I put a temporary one on to make sure that was all the issue was. I got to get him a new cable, but you guys know how to put those on. The other problem with this is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, the left wheel turns because I've already fixed it. But when you try to push this thing, the right wheel isn't turning at all. Now I've already fixed the left one, and I figure I'll show you guys how I did it, and then you won't worry so much.
Please subscribe.
We're gonna make this real easy. You need a flathead screwdriver. Just pop this cover off right here. Take this nut out. I'm using a 14 mil. Easy peasy. Now you're gonna need a hammer, most likely, to get this thing off because it is splined. So let me get a hammer. You may actually need to put some penetrating lube on here, but the other side came off pretty easy. Be careful you don't break the wheel. Penetrating lube it is. There we go. A little bit of lube. Now, let me see if I can get you in there. You hopefully can see that that's splined, meaning there's little grooves cut in this thing all the way around. And on the inside of the wheel, it's also splined. Now I spoke to him, and he's got 5 of these, and they all need to be fixed. He wants them to be done as cheaply and quickly as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my grinder, and I'm going to smooth out these splines all around this axle. Now we can slide the wheel back on, and it will turn freely without those splines holding it back. Now the more you work on it, the smoother it'll get. I'm going to work on it a little bit more off camera, and then we're going to put this thing back together. But we do not need splines on here because this is a separate axle that attaches to a plate for adjustments, and that whole axle is only that tall. There's nothing behind it. So to make the wheel spin without those grooves on there, the splines, is perfectly fine. Be careful that you always keep your grinder moving so that you don't wear one spot very much more than the rest. Put that back on, make sure the wheel still spins, put your cover back on, and you're good to go. So now you can see that my wheels move again. It's not going to be any issues whatsoever, and he can use his machine again. Those splines are not necessary for anything. Each wheel only took me about 5 minutes. You see how easy it is, and he's back in business. So grinding off those splines took care of the problem. I don't have to charge him very much, and he's back in business. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting the like button. It's somewhere between my chin and my balls. Please leave a comment. That is the most important thing you can do on anyone's YouTube video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, just say hello, let me know if I've ever helped you or not. I appreciate everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.